Make sure we're recording. All right, guys, lucky day 17. Welcome back to the channel to the 100 day Zygarde and shiny Galarian bird hunt. We're 17 days in. We have already had a huge victory. Things are going great. You guys are amazing. We're at 21 subscribers. As I'm shooting this, it's Friday. It's beautiful. Everyone's mowing their lawn. It's crazy. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I won't be posting this weekend. I don't usually post on Saturdays or Sundays. But let's pop this daily incense right now and begin our hunt on this beautiful creek walk. I think we even did this creek walk this week. Maybe it was last week. Getting my days mixed up, honestly. But I'm back. I didn't do the second part of this route, so that will be a new route for us. And I am just excited, you guys. This is the most beautiful place to play Pokemon Go. It's very chill. Not a ton of people. There's wilderness. It's amazing. Need to hit some great throws here. Gonna take just a quick little pit stop here for 1 second. I'm going to do this. If I mega evolve this, gives us a shot. If we do just get a regular bird, we'll try to hit it wild. I've never caught a wild one still to this day. So we're looking for that. How's it going? So honestly, that's a side goal too. Just hitting a Galarian bird, catching it like, just catching it normal. I've never done that. That'd be even crazier than the shiny. The shiny's guaranteed. If you guys don't know, all the shinies you ever get, they're guaranteed catch. Doesn't mean you're gonna catch it on the first ball. It just means it will not flee. It cannot flee. So if we were to hit a Galarian bird shiny, it takes a lot of Pokeballs, I can tell you that. But you will catch it as long as you don't run out, which actually, oh my gosh, hold up. We are not really set for this. We have 287 regular, 30 and 45 ultra. We have no golden raz. How many coins do I have? Should I get, I have 493 coins. Oh boy. We're not really set for this, you guys. If we do hit a Galarian, there would be a chance that we would not catch it. If it was a shiny I didn't have, I would probably Master Ball it, honestly. Which is crazy. I don't know. Maybe not. What do we do? How much do Ultra Balls cost? Can you even buy Ultra Balls? You can't. You can only buy Pokeballs. I could buy 100 Pokeballs. Oh man. What do I do? Maybe I run Adventure Effect for a higher catch rate. That would be some drama, you guys, if I actually hit a shiny. Oh, dude. That's a job up there, you guys. Bro is working. Just sitting on the edge. He's just sitting on the edge, man. That's a sick job. That's a scary job. Okay, well, I'm kind of panicking. I think over the weekend I grind for Ultra Balls because I can't go out like this and be devastated if we ran out of balls trying to catch a shiny Galarian. You know what? The Spun Sweet can go. Oh, I want to talk to you guys about you self, like, grooming, how you dress, how you look, and why it matters. Nobody talks about this anymore. And I'm saying this because I am at the scruffiest I've been in many, many months. I am scruffy. My hair, it needs to be cut like 2 months ago. I'm just in shambles, really. And so this came to mind. Which way do I go? I go straight. Yeah, I go straight. This is a new route. I think this is a new route because I think I went that way last time. Always dress and look the way you want to be for whatever job or whatever goal you have in mind. Don't sit around waiting for something to take place first. That's not what you're supposed to do. How's it going? I have the mentality, or I've had in the past, the mentality of, well, if I land this job, then I will clean up and look good and go to the job and be appropriate. And that's just not right. Actually, you should wake up, take care of yourself, go get a haircut, dress in clothes that are appropriate, dress in clothes that you see people in the job that you want or in the thing that you want in life. Dress like that. You dress and look the way you want your life to be. It's going to dictate it. It's basically what we talked about a few days ago. You are what you consume. You are what you look like. So go look in the mirror right now. Take a second, pause the video, look in the mirror. That's who you are. Like, so if you don't like it, or you're not where you want your life to be, start taking care of yourself. Now I'm saying that, I don't mean to shame anyone, because look at me, you guys. I have been running ragged for like 2 months. I am like coffee fueled, stressed out, burning the candle at 7 different ends. Today, if not today, this weekend, getting my hair cut, taking care of myself. It's way overdue. So, just want to encourage you guys, like, wow, the route's over. What? Okay, this is definitely a new route. Let's grab this cell. 1 Zygarde cell, let's go. There's our spawn. It's not shiny. Let's trade. This is a nice route. I mean, I don't know if it's a 4-star. The beginning was terrible, actually. I mean, it's not a 5-star. The beginning is kind of like, these routes are really scuffed. It's like where people say they want to start the route is the actual start, but where they actually push record looks like the start. So if you go to where the recording is, like where the trail looks, this is from South Korea. Okay, cool. If you go to where the recordings are, that's usually not the start. So you're walking and then it's not recording you because the start was actually way back where it's not located. So they have a lot of work to do on these. This start point was like 100 yards away from where the recording trail was. So I was walking all over town trying to find out where this thing started. 4-star, I'd say because of the beginning, I'll give it a 4-star. What would you rate this route? It's lovely otherwise. All right, let's hop on another one. Where's this one go? No, I don't want to do that one. No. Bus, box, bridge to bridge. No, there's gotta be one that's like straight through to the creek. No. Creek walk is back the other way. Oh, this is the longer one that I wanted. Shoot. Winters to the river. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep walking. And then what we'll do is we'll start the next route. I know where it is. It's at this next, it's at that Pokestop far away. This is a long one, so let's get hoofing it. We might have to Dialga, Beldum's. Another reminder in case you missed yesterday's video, Mega Metagross is coming really soon, October 4th. So that's 2 weeks away. And you're gonna wanna do that, so plan accordingly, save up passes, get your friends ready, take the day off, or at least just don't plan other stuff. Go get that mega energy. You should have enough you should have enough of those already. So it's not like you're gonna go try to catch one that you don't have. But get the energy because you're gonna want that in your bag. So anyways, this weekend I'm gonna take care of myself. Come back Monday morning for day 18 looking fresh. Out there power walking, catching those shinies. I wanna get some shinies today. I just feel like overall we need to always stick to great balls or regular balls today. Save our others. I wanna get shinies. I think today is the day for shinies. Okay, I missed the Jigglypuff. That's okay. I really want this to be shiny so bad. It's kind of humid here, which is very weird. It's never humid where I live. Dewpider, non-shiny. Going against the grain here. I'm walking, I think, the wrong way. Oh man, this is a long walk. Do I have time for this? Every time. Every time I don't know if I have time to do this, to finish these routes or not. Let me see if there's a route over here that's smaller. We have 18 minutes left. I don't think I can get all the way around this lap in 18 minutes. I'm gonna try though, get the heart rate going. Abra. Yeah, you guys, 21 subscribers. My ultimate goal right now, besides catching shiny Galarians and finishing my Zygarde, is to get 100 subscribers within 100 days. I have another YouTube channel that is pretty established and growing and larger, and I am not telling anyone over there about this channel. There is zero marketing for this. I'm not telling any in real life people about this. This is just you and me. YouTube's doing its thing, sending these chill vlog style videos to people who would probably appreciate them. The vision for this channel and these videos is to make content that's different than a lot of the stuff that's out there. No editing, very relaxed vibes. So if you wanted to use this for sleep help, you could turn it on. Know that I'm just gonna be talking calmly, walking in nature, playing Pokemon Go, and just chilling. That's the goal for this channel and these videos. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you do. Maybe this content is different than what you're used to. That's okay too. I know for me, I'm always looking for videos like these to help me wind down, to help me relax. I'm kind of over the overstimulated, extra loud, people yelling, graphics and sound effects popping off every 5 seconds. Like, I'm just over it. I have a small child who's she's 4 years old. Dude, the stuff that they market to her, the videos that they market to her are insane. Like these extra loud sound effects, extra bright, colorful graphics, like every 3 seconds. Literally. It's like a stimulation overload. And I can tell you right now, she does not need that. She's 4. She has unlimited energy. She doesn't need to be extra stimulated in her brain. So neither do you. I know it's attention grabbing, and I know that it satisfies the immediate, but I promise you, it does not actually help you in the long run. Come on, we gotta hit a shiny today. I'm actually so pumped right now. I feel it, that we are going to hit a shiny today. Why don't I flip you guys around? Because I am literally in a farm field right now. Actually, I'm gonna start the route now so I don't forget. This all the way back. Yep, loopity loop. We did this last time. The loopity loop route. It was awesome. So we're doing it in reverse now. I'm gonna flip you guys around to enjoy this wild scenery. We are in a farm field, like freshly plowed up. Do I still have a Pokemon in here? No. Let's pop something cool in here. Let's pop something weird and shiny. Let's do my Shadow Shiny Gardevoir. Okay, we have 13 minutes. This is a really long route coming up here, so I gotta kind of hoof it back. Also, I have work I have to do and places I have to be. Some of you might wonder what I actually do for work, not just YouTube. I don't just make YouTube videos. YouTube is for sure a hobby as of now. I don't make enough money to do it full time. That's for sure a goal. There's like a million little squirrels and stuff running around over here. It's for sure a goal to do that down the road, but I don't have the capital or the time to be able to go all in on YouTube early. I have to do it slow. So what I do is actually I'm on staff at my church as like kind of full-time work, but with very flexible hours, which allows me to help out more with home stuff, like with my kids, get my kids where they need to be, and all that kind of stuff. Then on the side, I build furniture and do woodworking. So today, for instance, I need to go to a restaurant, meet with a client, and swap out a table. I'm building tables over there. So that's what I do for work. In case you were wondering, because I have nothing to hide here. I am not trying to be some cryptic person. I shared with you guys a little bit about my faith on the last video. I'm not ashamed of my faith. You know, I'm not really ashamed of anything in my life, so I don't mind sharing it with you guys. Anyways, that's what I gotta go do. I gotta actually hoof it because I'm running out of time. Too much yapping and not enough walking. Come on, let's get a shiny today, please. It's shiny time. It's shiny season. There we go. That looks better. I'm shooting on the front of this cell phone without a screen. So I'm blind shooting. That's why some of my compositions are messed up. Because I have no idea what it's. We got a raid invite for a mega Gardevoir. I think I'm good with that. Come on, you guys. We gotta hit a shiny today. We can do it. We can do this. 10 minutes left on a route. It's beautiful. I don't have the ducklet shiny. That would have been amazing. That pink duck. What's your favorite, like, looks wise? What's your favorite shiny right now? It could be in any of it, like cards, the main series game, or Pokemon Go. What's your favorite shiny, just by the looks of it? One of my all-time favorite shinies in Pokemon Go, at least, is shiny Guzzlord. All-time favorite. I just love white shinies. And that one in particular is so bizarre from what it normally is. It's amazing. Probably my top, in my top 3 for sure. I think one of my favorite kind of meta shinies are Latios and Latias. Both of those shinies are so cool. The minty green and the like perfect yellow. And you get to use those too. We're back into some nature. I'm gonna flip you guys around, see if we can see something cool. Let's go nature hunting. Shiny hunting and actual animal hunting. Well, not hunting. That's a different channel. That's a whole different thing. Some of you, if you're on the east coast of America, or if you live in another country that has rain and grass, some of you might think like, this is so bizarre where I am because of how dead everything is. It does not rain where we live for like 6 or 7 months. I mean, nothing, 0. Like, it is a desert. But here in like the north, like central valley coast, not coast, but yeah, it's where everything is grown because of how much sun there is. Yeah, it's pure sun, no rain, all the water is brought in. Beldum. I hope this is a hundo. Did I pineapple that? I hope I did. I should throw like a great ball or an ultra ball, but I'm saving them in case we do hit. See if we can see a snake or a lizard or something. I'm sure we'll see a cat. I think I'm literally 100% for cats. I honestly think I'm 100%. Let the Beldum fly. Sneasel. If I was editing, I would have a cat counter in the bottom corner of the screen with a little icon of a cat. Wait, where am I going? Is it this way? Oh, kind of. I think it's this way. There's a little bridge there. It's kind of cool. Whoa, whoa. Hold tight little gimbal. Gimbal almost just tweaked out on all of us. Nothing. Here's our spawn. I almost missed it. Swablu is not it. It's that Inkay. Dude, I think we're off-roading it right now. I went the wrong way. Okay, we have 5 minutes left. It's a very chill, nature-y part. Oh, there's a lizard. Almost stepped on it. Dude, a Tauros shiny would have been amazing. I think another favorite shiny of mine is the Rayquaza. Just that black. Looks so epic, and it's meta. Egg hatching. This counts. I mean, if we're recording, this fully counts. Ew. Smooch 'em. Dude, there's like a billion little lizards. They're everywhere. I think I am gonna keep you guys flipped around when we're in nature like this. It's so good. Oh, there's some people coming up here. I'm gonna switch this camera around because there's some people. Try not to film people. Ekans shiny? Oh, that would have been sick. That would have been so good. Oh. Full baby shiny, probably. Here's a root spawn. How's it going?
Good. Sorry about that.
No, you guys are good. It doesn't matter. Appreciate you. Okay, what do we have left? 2 minutes. Oh man, we're still quite a ways away. Dewey Dialga. It's Friday. It's Friday, come on. Do I have time for this? I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. But it's only 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. It's Friday. We're chilling. Maybe you're watching this on Sunday, trying to take a nap. Middle of the day. I'm pretending it's cold and rainy and cloudy where you live. You already had a busy morning. Now you just want to take a little snooze on the couch. I'm making this video for you. I see you. That's future me, I hope. Come on, we have to get a shiny. I haven't had a good shiny in a couple days, so this feels right. I don't like making predictions, but I'm gonna predict shiny right here. Today, the Inkay would be amazing. I don't have that one. What does the Inkay shiny even look like? Whew. I honestly have no idea. Alright, which way am I going here? This way, up and out. Beldum shiny. Oh, yo, let's go. Okay. All right. I don't need it. We had Beldum Community Day, but you always take a natural shiny over Community Day shiny. Always. Stick around to the end of the video. We'll check the IVs of everything we caught. I told you guys, I can feel it. I feel the math in my head. If you play a lot, and you don't get a shiny in 2 full days, it's coming. Oh, this is the one I really want though. Oh, that is the one I really want. This is for sure one of my favorites. Not top 3, but definitely top 10. Call the Beldum. I told you guys. The Spajoink. Man, I'd come back here if it wasn't so far away. I'd come back here and play every day. This is so nice. It's like therapeutic to be out here. Where I live, there's not a lot of wilderness. You have to drive a long, long way to find like natural forests, natural trees, This area is pretty desolate. It's just people, houses, cars, businesses. Welcome to California. That's not totally true. California is incredible, but what people don't tell you about California is you need to drive to find these good places. You see videos about California and you think, oh my gosh, people just live in the best place ever. They can just walk out and go mountain biking and rock climbing and surfing and skiing right out their back door, and that's not really true. Most of California, which is an enormous state, you have to drive a long, long way. Another shiny? This one would be cool too. Well, I'm sweating, which is a good sign. I'm not gonna catch this. That's okay. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Yes. Oh, shoot. It's not shiny. Let's go, you guys. Okay. I want to put you down, but there's nowhere to put you down. I'm going to try to one-hand this-ish. Oh, man. There's no shot. That was bad. That was bad. Okay. It's too high CP anyways. That roar of time, you guys. So flash forward with me to the wild event. I'm gonna plan on doing, I don't know how much candy I can afford for that, but however much candy I can afford for that, I'm gonna do Dialga daily incense. And we are getting a wild bird. Like, even if the video is 2 hours long, I will do it. So this November, man, I actually have to figure out how many days. So it's day 17. That means we have 83 more days. We have 83 more days. That's 3 months essentially, or a little less than 3 months. So it's less than 3 months. So this is September, middle of October is 1 month, middle of November is, so actually around New Year's is when we're gonna end this, I bet, this series. This is a good shiny too, actually. Yeah. So we have till about New Year's on this 100-day challenge. As we're making these videos, comment down below what I should do next. Like, what kind of challenge should I do? I don't think I'm gonna end the format, meaning go out and just shoot like this, no edit, but I'm up for big challenges. So let me know. Cat cam. We're gonna start the cat cam today. Day 1 of 1. Technically it's 17 for 17 on cats. Call this cat Orange Mango Surprise. What's up, kitty? What's up, kitty? I know. That cat was vibing out. He knew it was Friday. This is a good video. This is a good day. A shiny and a Galarian. We are kind of on a hot streak. After shooting probably 15, not bad videos, but just videos with literally nothing. 14. Now we're coming up strong. That sounded like a snake. I think I'm gonna put that cat in the thumbnail. No, I gotta keep the thumbnails kind of the same. I'm not doing a lot of YouTube strategy on this channel for your sake and my sake, because it drives me insane. And I don't want you to click on these because I will never do clickbait. So if my title says I'm catching the rarest Pokemon, it's true. I'm not doing clickbait. Can't stand that. It just feels so cheap. I should do the cat in the thumbnail. Cat cam. I am sweating. Nope, don't waste that. I'm gonna catch this root spawn. We're gonna end this video up here pretty soon. We're almost back to my van. 5 minutes left. There's our Zygarde. 2 cells, so this was a 3-cell day, a Galarian bird day, a shiny. We still have to check the IVs for the shiny, which is just crazy. What time is it? The time is okay. Spin the stop for as many Pokeballs as possible, just in case. Another egg. I am cooked right now. Okay, it's not hot today, it's gorgeous, but it is humid for some reason, and it is never humid here. Like, the fact that it has humidity is killing me. Some of you who live in humid climates, I am sorry. I don't even know how you do it. There's another egg we can put on. We might have hit that without the Aurora time, actually. I think we probably would have. Let's finish this route. We don't get to rate it. We did this route already. I don't think we hit anything on this route in that video. I don't remember. They're all blurring together now. But you guys will have to go check that video out because I was so excited about how cool the route was. So many. Hi. Oh, that breeze feels so good. Dude, where does this route end? There we go. Complete. I think I did give that a 5-star on my rating. Second time on it. I have a feeling over the 100 days we're gonna do this route a lot. It is one of the best. I'm gonna try my best this weekend to do a little bit of like research. I might even ask around on some of the campfires, like where are some good routes. longer routes for daily incense because I'm running out. I'm be totally honest with you guys. I'm running out of new routes. And the time I get to shoot these videos, I don't have a super long time to shoot. So yeah, I'm just running out. I'm running out of ideas and places. I can't drive too far. I have one more city to go to still that I haven't taken you guys to. That's sort of close. It's like 20 minutes away. And then after that, and that is a real city, like city-ish. There's not a ton of green space. I do know one green area we can go to. That will be great. It's a bit of a drive. But then after that, I mean, that gets us to like day 20 or 30. After that, I've got nothing. So we're gonna need to game plan. Should have 2 more spawns. You guys ever had 2 Galarians on one incense before? I'm excited to check the IVs. What a terrible throw at that Articuno. That was terrible. Come on, I'm getting robbed on these last couple of spawns. This is the longest video yet, I think. I'm gonna let this run all the way. Bro, you gotta pop this spawn. Should have been 2 spawns. Looks like we're only gonna get 1. Something's broken. Dude. Please. Just 1 more spawn, bro. Not like this. Not like this. I should have actually closed out and came back in. That's it. All right, hoof it back to the car, check IVs, look for nundos and hundos, and call it. We also have some eggs to look through. Those were the floor IVs for an egg. Pikachu, no. Wingull, no. Nope. Getting to that shiny. Here we go. 2-star. 2-star. We'll keep it for a trade probably. Flabebe, Wimpod. How many nundos do you guys have? I think I have 4. Oh, the Inkay Wundo. We'll delete that, but still, it's a cool catch. That's a really cool catch, actually. A Wundo is really cool, too. Wundos and 2-dos I do not keep. There's a 2-do Dupiter. Bidoof, Nidoran, Mareep, Slowpoke, Abra. Oh, 98 Fletchling. Could this be almost a hundo? Or I mean, whatever they call it. This could max out at a hundo. Fletchling, Lunatone. I'm not sure where we left off. Was it the Smoochum? I've been catching today already, so I'm not sure where we're leaving off. I think that's probably it. I don't remember a Plusle at all on the route. So that's it. All right, you guys. Remember, how you present yourself every day is who you are. So if you look in the mirror and you're like, I need to get some stuff done, don't wait around like you need to get your life fixed first. It starts with your hygiene. It starts with the way you dress and look. And I know I'm saying that as a scruffy person. But on Monday, I'm going to be looking sharp. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on day 18. Peace.